Hi guys, today I've got the TraffMonetizer app. I'm going to do the live withdraw from here, so stay with me until the end of this video to find out the result. Also, I'm going to tell the one truth about this app at the end of this video. Without delay, let's move on to this app. In this mobile screen, you can see TraffMonetizer app. Let's open it. Now you can see here, this is the TraffMonetizer dashboard. Service is running, you can see here. And you can see here my balance $10. Without delay, let's move on to the site and we'll do the live withdraw as soon as possible, guys. You can see here TraffMonetizer site and my balance is $10. Let's click on the request a payout. Again, click to request a payout. Go to profile setting. Clicking on the select payment system. You can see here we have to set up payout option. BTC, web money, Skrill, payer, TRC20 USDT. So I'll choose the BTC for the payout option. Let's click on the BTC. Now it is asking for the Bitcoin receiving address. So I'll get the receiving address from the Coinbase. So let's go to the Coinbase. Let's get the Bitcoin receiving address. Searching for BTC. Yeah, Bitcoin. Now clicking to receive. Now copy the Bitcoin receiving address. Let's go back to the TraffMonetizer and paste it here. Now save it. Now you can see here my Bitcoin receiving address is saved. So let's go back. Payments. Again, request a payout. Continue with current payment method. So let's click there. After saving, it was asking for to check the email address. So let's check the email address. Now you can see here TraffMonetizer email. Let's click here confirm. We need to confirm changes. Payment setting. So let's set up the payment setting and we'll do the withdraw. Now you can see here payment method changes success applied. Now let's go to payment again. After saving the Bitcoin receiving address, you can see here Bitcoin. Let's request a payout. Withdraw all. 10.0759. Let's create a request. Now you can see here I had made requested 10.0759, but it is automatically changed to $10 and status is requested. Also on the top you can see here payout requested. You will receive the payment once your request is approved. It's not saying anything about the how long gonna take for the payout. So I will wait for the update about payment is received or not. I'll update you guys later. Finally, payment successful after 4 days. You can see in the TraffMonetizer dashboard here. Now completed. Now let's check in the Coinbase how much they paid actually. Click to my asset, Bitcoin. Now you can see here Bitcoin balance. I actually made $10 withdraw and I received only $6. Let's check in the transaction. I did withdraw on 4th November and I received on 8th November. So that means it took around 4 days. It's actually paying, but transaction charge is very high, guys. It is pretty much 40% transaction fee. Let's check in the TraffMonetizer. So you can see here I did withdraw on 4th November and I received on 8th November. Let me tell you one thing about this app. As I mentioned earlier, one thing I would like to show you here in my referral section. You can see here I made one referral after I joined, and you can see here date, guys, 30 September 2022, and I made withdraw in 4th November 2023, which is more than 1 year. And this is the referral date, guys, but I joined even earlier than this one, 3 or 4 months earlier. So that means it is more than 1.5 years I could make $10, which is minimum withdraw amount here. Another thing is when you join on this site, you will get $5 free That means to make another $5, it will take around more than 1 year or maybe around 2 years time. So in my view, this is only waste of time, guys. However, I will leave it to you guys. Either you have to use this app or not. So that's all for now, guys. Thanks all for watching until the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next one.